Exploring the phrase, to lie in. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, to lie in. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. To lie in is a phrase that has a couple of different meanings. It's essential to know the context to understand its correct interpretation. 1. Resting or sleeping late. When someone says they are lying in, or they had a lie-in, it generally means they are resting, especially by staying in bed longer than usual in the morning. 2. Example. After a hectic week, I love to lie in on Saturdays. 3. Location. In some contexts, to lie in can refer to the position or place where something is located. 4. Example. The power of the kingdom lies in its alliance with its neighbors. It's easy to confuse to lie in with other phrases. Here are some common misunderstandings. 1. Lie versus lay. People often get mixed up between lie and lay. Remember, to lie in usually refers to resting or a location. In contrast, to lay is an action that usually requires an object. 2. Incorrect. I am going to lay in bed all day. 3. Correct. I am going to lie in bed all day. 4. Lie in versus lie on. Lie on generally means to be positioned on top of something. Lie in focuses on staying in bed or the location of something. 5. Example. I will lie on the beach and enjoy the sun. But tomorrow, I might have a lie-in. To help you understand better, here are some more examples. 1. I've decided to lie in tomorrow since I don't have any early meetings. 2. The beauty of the city lies in its rich history and vibrant culture. 3. After the late-night movie marathon, they had a long lie-in the next day. And that's a wrap on the phrase, to lie in. We hope this has shed light on its meanings and usage. Remember, English phrases can have different interpretations depending on the context. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!